Some of the benefits of the hibiscus flower. Now, when we think of hibiscus flowers tea, we think of this beautiful red flower. Now, we're not talking about the ornamental hibiscus, but this particular variety. It actually has light colored petals with reddish purple centers. These are the deep red calyces. After the petals fall, it's actually the remaining deep red calyces that is used, which is called the flowers. Now, some benefits can be enjoyed as a tea, hot or cold, but sometimes the benefits must be made into an extract, which is stronger, which can be a powder or as alcohol or glycerin tincture. Now, hibiscus flower can also be included as a food source of protein and to add fiber to your diet. It can be used as a meat replacement, taking on the flavor of whichever seasonings that you use. Most of the recipes that you find online is to use it as taco meat in things such as tacos, enchiladas, and chalupas. Hibiscus flowers are also high in pectin and used in the jelly and gel making process. Cooking with hibiscus flowers can be as simple as simmering chopped hibiscus flowers into your soups or chili recipes, or as complicated as preparing them to use as a meat replacement. Okay, let's start with 2 cups of chopped dried hibiscus flowers, 4 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a medium onion diced or chopped, 3 garlic cloves minced, 2 to 3 tablespoons of your favorite seasonings such as taco seasonings or Italian seasonings. Rinse the hibiscus flowers in running water until the water turns a light pink. Boil the hibiscus flowers in 4 cups of water for about 10 minutes or until tender. Remove from heat, cover, and steep for 2 hours. Drain well and pat dry. Heat olive oil in a large skillet. Add onions and cook until translucent. Add the garlic and cook for about 2 minutes. Add the hibiscus flowers and seasonings and cook everything together for about 5 minutes. And there's your meat. Now, hibiscus flower tea is caffeine-free and calorie-free. Hibiscus flowers are very tart and many times referred to as cranberries. Now, they cool off the body, especially important during the summer heat, rehydrates the body, loaded with nutrients, vitamins A, B, and C, antioxidants, minerals such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, sodium, and zinc. A diuretic, reduces mild blood pressure, reduces fever, and considered a favorite hangover remedy. Now, hibiscus flower tea can either be steeped or simmered. It makes a refreshing drink steeped for 10 minutes, retaining more of its nutrients such as the vitamins A and C. Some people may simmer it for around 10 minutes, will provide the most flavor and color, but may destroy those important nutrients. Place 3 hibiscus flowers into a cup. Pour 1 cup of boiling water into the cup. Cover and steep for 10 minutes. Strain, add sweetener, and enjoy. Or place 3 hibiscus flowers in a saucepan. Pour in 1½ cups of water. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Strain, add sweetener, and enjoy. Now, I enjoy hibiscus tea cold, and I make it by the pitcher full. I boil 2 cups of water, turn off the heat, add 1 cup of hibiscus flowers. I cover and let it steep for 10 minutes or more. Strain into a 2-quart container. Sweeten it as desired. Now, this is very tart. You can use 1 cup of sugar or its equivalent or of other sweeteners. Filter the top of the container with cold water and refrigerate or serve over ice. Now, this is enjoyed with mint, lemon, lime, orange, or pineapple. And for extra benefits, enjoy it without the sweeteners. Now, taking hibiscus flower as a supplement, either in capsules or alcohol or glycerin extracts, gives you a concentrated dose for therapeutic benefits. Now, for weight loss, its anti-obesity effects include loss of body weight, inhibition of fat accumulation, improvement in blood lipid profiles, and suppression of adipogenesis. Those are those fat storing cells. In a 12-week study, 2 hibiscus tablets, 450 mgs apiece, taken 3 times a day after meals led to a decrease in waist circumference, decrease in body fat percentage, decrease in FFA, free fatty acid in the liver, and a decrease in waist to hip ratio. Yay! Now you can watch my other videos on making alcohol or glycerin extracts, which I call tinctures. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. We are a small family farm and we need your support to continue to make these videos and share natural healing remedies. Visit me at FamilyGuideToHerbs.com. Now my channel name on YouTube is Carolyn Gibson Herbalist.